So, I'm not sure what the name of this town is yet, but we'll see in a minute. But I find this interesting. I don't know, I know that's a Canadian flag, and I'm not sure what those other flags are. I don't know if we'll find out the name of this town. I don't see anything. I saw something that said Sass Power. I'm not sure if that's someone's name. I don't know. It looks like we're almost through this town. That's a nice house. It looks well developed. There are a lot of houses from what I see on this side. And there are cars going by and businesses. I'm not really sure. So there must be something more here because people need to work. So this is probably like the back side of the town, but at least I see something and not fields. Oh, and there's houses all the way over there. So this must be like one of the bigger cities. Oh, and then they have apartments right there for rent. Do I know the name of this town? I still do not know the name of that town. But it looks like a good sized town.
Good afternoon, folks. We're just leaving the town of Unity, Saskatchewan, and we're very close to the border of Saskatchewan and Alberta. Unity is interesting because it has salt production plants here, and in 1946, oil exploration led to the discovery of oil in the area, and it was here that by pumping water into mine shafts, the water was brought to the surface for purification, and then turns into table salt. So the salt that you might find on the table in the dining car could be coming from here in Unity, Saskatchewan. Leaving here, we are going to be heading towards ranch country, and the next area or town on our route would be Wainwright, and that would be into the Alberta, province of Alberta. So say goodbye to the province of Saskatchewan. Bon après-midi tout le monde, nous sommes juste passés par la petite ville de Unity.